Are you dreaming of a Caribbean getaway but worried about breaking the bank? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to share expert tips on how to experience an unforgettable and affordable vacation in the beautiful Caribbean. In this video, we'll cover everything from finding affordable accommodations and transportation to enjoying local cuisine and engaging in exciting activities on a budget. We'll reveal hidden gems, insider secrets, and invaluable resources to help you plan your Caribbean getaway wisely. So let's get started. 10. Choose the right time to visit. Timing is everything when it comes to planning an unforgettable and affordable vacation in the Caribbean. Choosing the right time to visit can make a world of difference in terms of cost and crowd levels. To maximize your budget, consider traveling during the shoulder seasons, which fall between the peak and off-peak periods. During these transitional periods, you will often find lower prices on accommodations, flights, and activities. Additionally, it's wise to avoid major holidays and school breaks when prices tend to skyrocket and tourist hotspots become overcrowded. By opting for a quieter time of year, you'll not only save money but also have a more tranquil and authentic experience with shorter lines at attractions and a chance to connect with locals on a deeper level. Keep in mind that weather patterns vary across the Caribbean, so research the specific destinations you're considering and choose a time when the weather is favorable but less popular among tourists. With strategic timing, you can unlock the best of both worlds. An unforgettable Caribbean adventure that doesn't break the bank. 9. Research and compare accommodations. The key is to think beyond traditional hotels and explore a wide range of options available. Websites such as Airbnb, Booking.com, and even local vacation rental agencies offer a plethora of choices that fit various budgets and preferences. From cozy guest houses and charming bed and breakfasts to stylish apartments and beachfront villas, there's something for everyone. Take the time to read reviews and gather as much information as possible about each property, paying attention to factors like location, amenities, and previous guests' experiences. By comparing different options, you can find hidden gems that provide excellent value for your money. Don't hesitate to reach out to hosts or property owners directly to inquire about any special rates or discounts they may offer. The goal is to find accommodations that not only meet your budget but also enhance your Caribbean experience, creating a comfortable and memorable home away from home. 8. Consider all-inclusive packages. These packages often provide exceptional value for your money, allowing you to enjoy a wide range of amenities and activities without worrying about additional costs. From luxurious resorts to boutique hotels, many establishments offer all-inclusive options that include accommodations, meals, beverages, and even exciting water sports and entertainment. By opting for an all-inclusive package, you can streamline your expenses and have a clear understanding of your overall vacation budget. It's important to compare different packages and carefully review what is included to ensure it aligns with your preferences and desired activities. Additionally, keep an eye out for special promotions or discounted rates for all-inclusive packages, as these can further enhance the affordability of your Caribbean getaway. So sit back, relax, and let the all-inclusive experience take care of your needs, allowing you to make the most of your time in paradise without breaking the bank. 7. Explore lesser-known islands. For an unforgettable and budget-friendly Caribbean vacation, why not venture beyond the well-trodden path and explore the lesser-known islands? While popular destinations like Jamaica and the Dominican Republic offer their own allure, the hidden gems of the Caribbean await your discovery. Islands such as Grenada, Dominica, or St. Kitts and Nevis offer a more off-the-beaten-path experience with affordable accommodations, authentic local culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. These lesser-known islands often have lower tourist traffic, allowing you to escape the crowds and immerse yourself in a more tranquil and intimate Caribbean atmosphere. From pristine beaches to lush rainforests and vibrant local markets, these islands are brimming with unique experiences waiting to be explored. Take the opportunity to interact with friendly locals, savor delicious regional cuisine, and embark on unforgettable adventures without straining your budget. By choosing to explore lesser-known islands, you'll not only have an affordable vacation, but also a chance to uncover hidden treasures and create memories that will last a lifetime. By the way, if you're getting value from this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you would give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for our future videos. Thank you. 6. Travel with friends or family. Travel with friends or family. Sharing the experience with loved ones not only creates lasting memories but also helps you cut costs significantly. By splitting expenses like accommodations, transportation and even meals, you can stretch your budget further while enjoying quality time with your favourite people. Consider booking a spacious vacation rental that can comfortably accommodate everyone, allowing you to share the cost and have a cosy home base for your adventures. Group activities such as boat tours or island excursions often offer discounted rates for larger parties, further maximising your savings. Additionally, travelling with companions means you can take advantage of group discounts at restaurants, attractions and even transportation services. Plus, having your loved ones by your side adds an extra layer of enjoyment and camaraderie to your Caribbean journey. So gather your friends or family, plan together and embark on an unforgettable and budget-friendly Caribbean adventure that you'll cherish forever. 5. Eat like a local. Instead of sticking to touristy restaurants, venture into the local food scene to truly immerse yourself in the flavours and culture of the Caribbean. Seek out small local eateries, street food stalls, and market vendors where you can find authentic, delicious and budget-friendly meals. Indulge in local specialties like jerk chicken, fresh seafood, plantains, and mouth-watering tropical fruits. Not only will you save money by avoiding tourist markups, but you'll also experience the vibrant culinary traditions of the region. Don't be afraid to ask locals for their recommendations, as they often know the hidden gems that offer incredible dishes at affordable prices. By eating like a local, you'll not only satisfy your taste buds, but also support the local economy and engage with the vibrant culinary culture of the Caribbean. So step off the beaten path, savour the local flavours, and let your taste buds embark on an unforgettable culinary journey. 4. Use public transportation or carpool. Instead of relying solely on taxis or private transfers, consider exploring the island's public transportation systems to get around. Many Caribbean destinations have reliable and affordable bus networks that connect major towns and attractions. It's a great way to not only save money but also immerse yourself in the local culture and interact with friendly locals during your journey. Additionally, you can consider carpooling with other travellers to share transportation costs. Online travel forums or social media groups often provide opportunities to connect with fellow visitors who are exploring the same destination. Carpooling not only reduces expenses but also offers a chance to meet new people and potentially make lifelong friends. By utilizing public transportation or carpooling, you'll have more flexibility in your itinerary, lower transportation expenses, and an authentic Caribbean travel experience that extends beyond the usual tourist routes. 3. Opt for free or low-cost activities. The Caribbean is a treasure trove of natural wonders and cultural experiences that won't break the bank. From pristine beaches and stunning hiking trails to vibrant local markets and historical sites, there are countless opportunities to explore without spending a fortune. Take advantage of the breathtaking beaches and soak up the sun, go for a refreshing swim, or simply relax with a good book. Discover national parks and nature reserves where you can embark on scenic hikes, spot unique wildlife, and enjoy stunning vistas. Immerse yourself in the local culture by visiting colourful local markets where you can browse for unique souvenirs or sample delicious street food. Many islands also offer free or low-cost cultural events such as music festivals, art exhibitions, and traditional performances. By embracing these free or low-cost activities, you can have an enriching Caribbean experience while keeping your expenses in check, ensuring that your vacation is both memorable and affordable. 2. Take advantage of happy hours and specials. Many bars and restaurants in the Caribbean offer enticing deals during specific times of the day, usually known as happy hours. This is when you can enjoy discounted prices on drinks and sometimes even appetizers or meals. It's the perfect opportunity to try local cocktails, sample regional cuisine, and mingle with other travelers while keeping your expenses in check. Keep an eye out for establishments that offer daily specials or themed nights, where you can indulge in delicious meals at reduced prices. By planning your activities around these happy hours and specials, you can savor the vibrant Caribbean nightlife without breaking the bank. So raise a glass, savor the flavors, and toast to an unforgettable Caribbean experience that not only delights your taste buds, but also keeps your wallet happy. 1. Pack smart and bring essentials. By planning ahead and packing wisely, you can save money and ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. Remember to pack essential items like sunscreen, insect repellent and toiletries from home. These items can be more expensive in tourist areas, and having them with you will help you avoid unnecessary expenses. Additionally, bring a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated throughout your journey and avoid purchasing bottled water, which can add up over time. Pack versatile clothing that is suitable for the Caribbean climate, including lightweight and breathable fabrics. By being prepared and having the essentials on hand, you can focus on enjoying the stunning beaches, engaging in thrilling activities, and exploring the vibrant local culture without worrying about unnecessary expenses or last-minute purchases. So pack smart, bring your essentials, and embark on an unforgettable Caribbean adventure with peace of mind. Check out this video on 15 must-have travel essentials when vacationing in the Caribbean islands. So go ahead, start planning and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Have you been to one of these beautiful Caribbean islands? We would love to hear of your experiences and feedback in the comments section below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Caribbean travel tips and inspiration, share our channel with others, and turn on the notification bell for our next video as we explore the Caribbean together. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover tips for an unforgettable and affordable vacation in the Caribbean. We hope these insights have empowered you to plan a memorable getaway without breaking the bank. This is Diary Caribbean. Until next time, happy travels.